Hey guys, welcome back. Today's gonna be a quick after dark clean of my entire first floor, my nightly routine. But first I want to mention that today is a collab with Tammy Ferns over here on YouTube, so I'm gonna let her introduce herself.
Hey guys, my name is Tammy and I am so excited to be doing this collab with Josie today. Over on my channel you will find a ton of cleaning motivation. I love to keep my home clean and cozy and help inspire you guys along the way. As a mama to four, I am always trying to find ways to simplify my life, so I do a ton of decluttering and organizing as well, and I would love for you to come and check my channel out today. Hopefully I'll see you there.
So now I'm just starting off in my kitchen with some dishes the way I always do. But guys, I highly suggest you go check out Tammy's video and channel after you're done here. She is amazing. Her content is amazing and she puts out tons and tons of content per week. Nowhere near to where I'm at currently, but she also has some really exciting news coming up, so I really suggest that you guys stop by over there before all that starts so that you guys are not late to the party. But if you're coming over from Tammy's channel, welcome. I am a wife and stay-at-home mom to a beautiful 7-month-old baby girl, and on my channel you'll find all things homemaking. So if that's your jam, I would love it if you would stick around and join our little family. So now I am just gonna organize where I keep my dishes currently. If you're new here, I'm currently in the process of moving, so I've been decluttering my kitchen, and I shared all my cabinets in my last declutter video. I'll link it up below, but I shared how my cabinets are so full that I've been storing dishes in my dishwasher, and because of the last time that I did my declutter video, I only did the bottom shelves, and I'm saving the top 2 shelves for another video. That's where I'm still keeping my dishes, so I just organized it a little bit so that until I get to the top 2 cabinets that, you know, it's a little more organized. I'm gonna get to the top 2 cabinets soon, but house hunting has been taking a lot of my time, which reminds me, my second house hunting video is coming out next week, so stay tuned for that. I got some really exciting news, you guys. I don't want to say anything, but really exciting news is coming up, and if you haven't already caught my previous house hunting video, I'll also link that up below.
Wide awake is the way that you left me, side by side in your car in the backseat. Wide awake is the way that you left me, oh. Now it's clear we are here back at your house, and I keep fading into the background. I'm wide awake, now you keep missing out for sure.
So this is really weird. Now I'm just emptying out my husband's lunch bag. He had a garbage bag filled with ice and his drinks because we ran out of Ziploc bags, and that's what he usually puts it in. So I just emptied that out quickly, and then I'm just wiping down the counters and the stove, and then I am going to try to do a miracle in my microwave and my oven, which I have not cleaned since Thanksgiving, you guys. My daughter was born in December, so after December, any deep cleaning or organization just has been non-existent. So bear with me as I try to get everything together and back in order for the new homeowners.
That's for sure. Take down your walls and let me ooh, ooh, ooh. Yeah, brick by brick, now let me ooh, ooh, ooh. I wanna be right there by your side. I wanna be there, won't you be mine? Take down your walls and let me, yeah, brick by brick, now let me ooh, 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 ooh.
Alright, so what I did here was my little makeshift oven cleaner. I don't have an actual oven cleaner like Easy Off or any of that on hand right now. So I just sprayed some all-purpose cleaner with some hot water, and then as well as the Dawn Power Wash, because you guys know Dawn Power Wash is like the holy grail of all things grease. So I thought that would work, and then I let it soak while I did the rest of the house. The rest of the first floor, and then I quickly wiped down the racks, and then after I finished cleaning, before I mopped all the floors, I came back and tried to scrub it. Okay, you guys, as I watch this clip over, this is my favorite clip because just watch how smoothly I maneuver throughout the entire kitchen, getting what I need from my newly organized bottom cabinets. Everything has its own place. I pull out my trash bags, my stainless steel cleaner, and my rag all in one smooth motion, and I'm just enjoying the newly decluttered kitchen. Even though I only get to live in it for a bit more, for the next house, I am definitely going to go very hard on organization just so that I could maneuver around my kitchen and my house like this always, because it just felt so good. So after this, I was finished in the kitchen. I went to the dining room. There wasn't much to pick up except for my daughter's leftover food. She barely had any food that night. And some clothes that I got for my birthday from my parents, and some papers that I had to send to the bank for the new home loan. So I just put that back in my room and put my husband's keys where it goes and his hat, and then I just wiped down the table.
Right, 'cause you're right, yeah, you're right. We are going too fast, but no, I don't know how to stop. But I've been feeling like you're pretty easy to like. When your body is closer to mine, you got me feeling like there's no one other than you who can make me lose my mind. You start me up like no one has ever could. You fuel my fire. What are the odds we end up loving it, spending every minute together? I found it quite hard, quite lovely. You start me up like no one has ever could. You fuel my fire, fire, fire. You fuel my fire, fire, fire. You fuel my fire, fire, fire. You fuel my fire, fire.
Now I'm just picking up in my living room, and I just gotta pick up everything of the babies really, and I'm putting her little seat and her pillow in, you guys already know, my catch-all corner where I keep all her stuff that she uses every day. I can't get rid of that catch-all corner. I have nowhere else to keep it. And then I just picked up and wiped down all the surfaces, and then after this I'm going to go back to that oven and try to work a miracle.
Quite lovely. You start me up like no one has ever could. You feel my fire, fire. Let's keep this fire alive. Fire. Let's keep this fire alive. Fire, fire. Fire, fire. Why you wanna let me go now, now, now? Are you saying that to change your mind? For love or pity, let me know now, now, now. 'Cause your love made me go blind. What am I hearing? Saying you're moving back. When were you gonna tell me that? What am I hearing? It feels like a heart attack. Someone help me catch my breath again. How did you stop loving me? How is that even possible?
Oh gosh, this is so funny. Speaking of Tammy, and that this is a collab with Tammy, that's actually her video playing in the background as I'm cleaning.
Move on, move on. Why you wanna let me go now, now, now? Are you saying that to change your mind? For love or pity, let me know now, now, now. 'Cause your love made me go blind. Why are you playing? We ain't got out if you want out. What are you saying? Come on and spit it out.
Okay, so now I tried my best to work a miracle and get the grease out of this oven. And yes, that is my dog literally licking the grease off the oven. He has too much. He is so curious and quite annoying sometimes. So yeah, I just did my best and I showed you guys after what I was able to do.
We move on, move on. Why you wanna let me go now, now, now? Are you saying that to change your mind?
Okay, you guys, so this is how clean I was able to get it. I'm gonna need to get an oven cleaner because there's just some stains and like hard burn on stuff that are not coming off, but it's pretty clean compared to what it was like. So I am going to get a cleaner and then I'm gonna continue this. I even cut my finger with that steel cleaning thing. It sliced me. So I'm gonna do that and now I'm gonna mop the floor.
Made me go blind. Oh, na, na, na. Oh, na, na, na. For love or pity, let me know. 'Cause your love made me go blind. Why are you changing your mind? Na, na, na. We ain't got the time. I told myself that maybe he ain't worth it. Too bad I hate advice. 'Cause out of sight and out of mind is perfect. It's so hard to decide. Oh, I know he got me good in his pocket. I know that I missed a treat.
Okay, so we're approaching the end of today's video. I'm just gonna finish mopping the floors, light my last candle, and call it a night. Thank you so much if you made it this far. Thank you for watching. Please, if you like this video, go ahead and give it a thumbs up, or even leave a comment and subscribe if you're not already. It means so much to me and it really helps support my channel. Thank you to all those who already do their best to support my channel. I really appreciate you all. Again, if you're new here, welcome, and I hope that you decide to join our family. And make sure to go check out Tammy's video after this. I'll see you guys in my next video, which will be the house hunting part 2.
What is thinking, but I don't